Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can blacken photos in CapCut. So to do this, there are two ways that I'm gonna show you. So the first way is the easiest way is just you can just click on the photo you add to CapCut and then swipe the toolbar at the bottom, and then you need to go to opacity. And to blacken the photo, just lower the opacity and it will be darkened like this or blackened like this, and you can just set it into whatever the blacken degree that you like. For example, I'm going to just go with 60, and after that you can just click on the check icon. So that's the first way. And the second way is that you can add a black overlay in your photo. So just click on overlay and then go to stock videos and choose the black image in here. Click on add and then adjust the black overlay to cover all of the photo, and then after that go to splice, and here's in the normal, just lower it like this, and after that just click on the check icon. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll catch you all in the next following videos. Thank you.